Everyone's buzzing about dire wolves lately, and for good reason. A de extinction company recently suggested that it has bred three dire wolf puppies using ancient DNA, claiming it has brought the legendary species back to life. So, how did they do it? According to the company's chief scientist interviewed by Time magazine, researchers analyzed the genome of dire wolves using two ancient DNA samples. From there, they took blood cells from a living gray wolf and used CRISPR gene editing technology to make 20 targeted changes across 14 genes. The edited DNA was inserted into an egg from a domestic dog, and the embryo was implanted into a surrogate dog mother. 62 days later, the first pups were born. Sounds like sci fi, right? However, here's where it gets controversial. A 2021 genetic study revealed that dire wolves aren't just ancient gray wolves, as once thought. In fact, they diverged from the rest of the canine family around 5.7 million years ago, far enough back to be classified as a completely separate genus. That's a massive evolutionary gap, with millions of years of small genetic differences, mutations, insertions, deletions that shape everything from behavior to biology. Surprisingly, the authors suggest that the closest living relatives of dire wolves aren't gray wolves at all, but African jackals. And even those are only distant cousins. That raises some big questions. Why did the scientists use a gray wolf as the base for this de extinction effort? What critical DNA might still be missing from the ancient samples? Are those missing pieces the ones that really make a dire wolf? A dire wolf? So, what do you think? Are we witnessing the first steps in reviving an extinct species? Or it is just a mutant gray wolf with a cool name?